How to set up a Tenda router with Starlink. If you have installed a Starlink router, you can use a Tenda router to extend your Starlink router's network. Here we'll show you how to extend your Starlink network using a Tenda router. First, make sure your Starlink router is set up and connected to the internet. Then configure the Tenda router. Connect the Tenda router. Starlink Generation 1 connection. If you have deployed Starlink Generation 1, connect the one port of the Tenda router to the Starlink router using an Ethernet cable. Starlink Generation 2 connection. If you have deployed Starlink Generation 2, connect the one port of the Tenda router to the Starlink Ethernet adapter using an Ethernet cable. Starlink Generation 3 connection. If you have deployed Starlink Generation 3, connect the one port of the Tenda router to the Starlink router using an Ethernet cable. Use the included power adapter to power the router. The indicator of the router will turn from solid green to blinking green. Set up the Tenda router. Connect the default Wi-Fi network of the router. The web UI of the router will be displayed automatically. Tap Start. DHCP is detected as your internet connection type. Set Wi-Fi information and login password. Settings completed. You can take a screenshot to save it. When the indicator of the router is solid green, the internet connection is successful. You can access the internet after the configuration. 5G Wi-Fi is recommended. Access the internet. Connect your wireless devices, such as smartphones, to the new Wi-Fi network. Tap Settings. Tap WLAN. Target and select the Wi-Fi of the router. Enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Wait a moment. The connection is successful. Enjoy the internet. Connect wired devices such as computer, smart TV, and printer to the Ethernet port of the router using an Ethernet cable.